गोवा बचाव अभियानान गोंयकार अगेन्स्ट पीडीएक तेको दिला। पीडीए आड 6 एप्रिलाक पणजे आझाद मैदानार पब्लीक मिटींग दवरल्या। लोकांक नाका आसतना पीडीए करतात म्हूण सरकारा आड आवाज वाडटा।
So this is the call that we are giving out, and we are supporting Goinkars against PDA. We have the convener of Goinkar against PDA over here, and on 6th April there is going to be a public meeting at Azad Maidan. We request the people of Goa to please come out in large numbers to support this and to get back your rights of planning at the grassroots level. The problem in Goa is corruption. So if with corruption you can bypass any law, that is the issue today. So even if we have a good law in place, we will still have to keep a watch on corruption.
If they can bring order into the method of planning, it would actually benefit business more, because business requires a kind of a certainty to function. And we don't see business taking off in Goa if the government keeps forcing something down people's throat and then the people rise up and then it's overturned. Where does business stand? You look at IPB today. I mean, we warned the people 3 years ago about errors in the IPB Act. Government still went ahead. And what happened? They gave permissions within CRZ. That has been overturned. So this is what we mean.
भागाचो दोंगर कापता म्हूण एकदा साल्वार केल्लो, आता तो दोंगर खंय पीडीए खाला पावलो।
And we are strongly objecting to this. There is one Baga hill which last time we have protected the hills from the hill cutting, and the same hill has been shown as a one-party settlement and showing the 10 meters road access in plot survey number 253. Now nobody has demanded for the Jesus Retreat Center. Not in single priest has been demanded a Jesus Retreat Center over there at the center of the hill. But there they have shown that Jesus in a 10,000 square meter of a land of Konkani.
परराच्या लोकांकूय पीडीए नाका।
Most of the people don't want PDA. It's only Michael and his wife and the panchayat members, they want PDA. Because they have ulterior interests, they have ulterior motives, business interests.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस।
जीएफएचे अंडर 18 लिगाक एअर अरेबियाचो तेको। जीएफएचो अध्यक्ष एल्विसान कंपनीचे उपकार मानले। बाकीच्या कॉर्पोरेटांनी फुटबॉल संघटनेक आदार करचो म्हूण ताणें उलो मारला। आयएसएल आनी बाकीच्या संवसारीक सर्तींनी नांव करचे पयलीं यूथ डेव्हलपमेंटाक संघटनेक खूब श्रम घेवचे पडटा। तातूंतल्यानूच भुरगे तयार जातात, ताका खंय पयसो लागता।
We have commenced the last league organized by the Goa Football Association, the Under 18 Youth League. I'm happy to announce that Air Arabia, which is a regular airline from Goa to the Gulf sector, has tied up with us in sponsoring this Under 18 League, and I'm sure that in future such corporate sponsorships will come to support our boys. What football is, it is important in football to understand that there may be glamour at a higher level, like whether it is World Cup or in India ISL or to some extent the I League, but we cannot lose sight of the fact that the youth development, the hard work that is put in by the clubs, the boys and also the association needs to get recognition, because it is through this process that we find stars that will play on a bigger stage.
We at Air Arabia basically fly 5 times out of Goa, and this year we are having flights to Moscow and Kyiv as well. So since we fly to Moscow and the world's greatest sporting spectacle is happening, that is the World Cup in Moscow, we have decided to tie up with GFA and sponsor the Under 18 League so that we can reach out to the masses.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।